Would you want your husband to be pregnant?
Instead of me, sure.
There was a bug. Where's the bug?
The bug? Where is the bug?
Oh, there is. Here. Oh my god, I touched it. Yeah, there.
Should I eat it?
No!
Okay. Yeah, this is our Erasmus class. We are making art.
Yeah, and can you explain about this class? Can you?
You're gonna explain. Yeah.
Okay, this is
Healing powers of nature.
class is like literally just getting healed by nature, traveling some caves and some mountains. We go hike and we have one presentation with some topic with nature, and we made this like this one, and that's all. We have
Good.
3 classes.
Hi.
So explain your art, please.
This is a Korean rock.
No, that's not a Korean route. It's a Hungarian.
Just kidding. This is from a Hungarian box. They force our Korean friends to make more. So she took 2 rocks. Okay, let me explain to you guys what this is. So this is a big leaf. So from the outside, it's like a I'm a normal person. But inside, there's different colors, and they're all mixed. Not one of them is one. They're all a rainbow. And yeah, what else should I say?
And
This is my mother, and this is my father. They shape me to be who I am, and
oh,
I will eat them.
what?
Bye bye. Shall we show our teacher?
Is this how you really feel? Really? Yuha?
Huh?
Do you want you to be pregnant and your husband pregnant at the same time?
나랑도 남편이 동시에 임신했으면 좋겠어. 내가 이해한 게 맞았구나. What? I hate it.
That's not her anymore.
Sorry, it's not put out. She had this. She put big, and little made it littler.
Healing powers of nature. Teaching me to grow. Finding peace and balance in places.
A little time later, he started hearing noises of what he thought was a predator.
Wanted to make history like of the ladybug, but the ladybug is full, like silent, peaceful, and the hills were very warm. It was open space and